particles of matter are very small in size, that these particles are invisible. When they are in combine each other, then we are getting the particular shape. But the particles are very small in size. Let us, how can we explain this property by a suitable activities? We have taken 100 ml of copper sulfate solution in the first beaker. This beaker contains 100 ml of copper sulfate solution. Then from this 100 ml, 10 ml of copper sulfate solution is taken. Out of 100 ml, 10 ml of copper sulfate solution is taken. Then this 10 ml of copper sulfate solution is added to the 90 ml of water in the second beaker. 10 ml of the solution from the first beaker, copper sulfate solution from first beaker is added to the 90 ml of water in the second beaker. Just you see the difference of color. First beaker, the copper sulfate solution is deep in color. The color is pure copper sulfate solution, very blue color, deep blue color obtained. But second solution in the second beaker is somewhat fade, that is light blue, not clearly blue color disappear, it is just appearing light blue color. Second beaker color of copper sulfate solution is light blue. First beaker color copper sulfate solution is deep blue, second beaker is light blue. From the second beaker, again 10 ml of solution is taken. Then this 10 ml of solution from second beaker, again it will be added to the 90 ml of water in the third beaker. Let us observe the color of solution in the third beaker. Color of copper sulfate solution in the third beaker. Let us see. Now it is added. Just you observe. The third beaker, the copper sulfate solution again fade. That means the color again decreases. First beaker, very deep blue color. Second beaker, light blue, almost blue color vanish. Third, again light. The color is decreasing. The deep blue color is decreasing. Third beaker, the color again light. From the third beaker, again 10 ml of solution is taken. Then it will be added to fourth beaker containing 90 ml of water. Fourth beaker contains 90 ml of water. To this 90 ml of water, in the fourth beaker, again 10 ml of copper sulfate solution from the third beaker will be taken. Again it will be added to the fourth beaker. Just you see the color of copper sulfate solution in these four beakers. If you see, first beaker is very deep blue color, second is light blue, third is again light, fourth one is almost colorless, just like water. There is a question, why the color vanishes, the color becomes more light from first to fourth beaker? Why the color decreases? This is due to if you compare the color of first beaker, the first beaker, the size of copper sulfate particle in the first beaker is greater. That's why it is visible and the size is larger. That's why deep color appearing. But in the second beaker, when the 10 ml of solution is taken from the first beaker, then again it is dissolved in 90 ml water, so that the particle again dissociated. the particle again separated, so it becomes again smaller in size, so that the deep blue color becomes light color. Like this, when it will be added to third beaker, then fourth beaker, the particle size again decreasing. That means the dissociation of copper sulfate takes place, so that the color becomes light. So like this experiment, this activity shows that particles of matter are very small in size.